Hi everyone, welcome to Harsha Trainings. Are you looking to learn a technology which doesn't need any coding but has good opportunities in the market with high salary packages? Then why waiting? We are going to start such a training program where you're going to learn PEGA. So PEGA doesn't need any coding and it has huge job opportunities in the market. If you want to learn PEGA and you have to spend just 3.5 months time, we are going to start a new PEGA batch from April 2nd onwards. Timings will be morning 9 a.m. to 10 a.m. There we are going to work on 4 real-time projects. If you are looking to start your career as a software engineer, or if you want to transform from one technology to another technology, where you wanted to get high packages, or you have a gap after your education but still you are looking for a job, there is opportunity when you learn PEGA. So we are going to start a new batch on April 2nd, timings morning 9 a.m. to 10 a.m. once again. So hope to meet you on April 2nd. Join our demo classes on April 2nd without failing. Contact us immediately on the number that is scrolling in this video. Hope to see you on April 2nd. Bye.